Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Torchlight. Tried a video earlier and it just disappeared, so here's number two. So, Torchlight Energy Resources, ticker TRCH. I've talked about this one on the channel here a couple times, and as you can see, it's had a great 3 months. Even the last year is pretty awesome, 1,133%. Could have got it back here in the 20 and 30 cent range. Hit a spike there of 429 and hit another spike here at 992, so could have made some pretty good money off of this one, up 133% over the last 3 months, 99% over. Probably would have been a lot more if it would have stayed up here instead of crashing down, but it's still an awesome return. Not too great here over the last week. Again, it just depends when you bought in, but if you'd have cashed out here, you'd been doing great. And here's a look at Friday. So I have 20 shares here in Robinhood. Cost basis of $1.83. Wish I had more now, but if you don't know what this one is, it's Torchlight Energy company, which engages in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties. Been around since 2007, and 159 million shares being traded, and a market cap of 785 billion. That was probably double that when the stock was in the $9 range. And here's a look at the expected after hours earnings on August 10th. And I got some information to go over here. Why Torchlight Energy stock fell 28% in early trading today. So this is a couple days ago, but still kind of relevant information. Fell as much as 28% in the first 90 minutes of trading on June 23rd. So if you did an option and expecting this one to go down, you probably had a pretty good return there. I'm not sure if you can do options on this low of a price. I haven't looked into that, but I'm just throwing out there if you can. So that follows on losses of around 25% from the previous day trading, and yet the shares are still up some 600% or so since the start of the year. Oil and natural gas prices were higher in early trading today, so today's drop isn't related to the commodities that underpin Torchlight Energy business. And while Torchlight is in the middle of a merger with Canada's MMATF, the last news on the front came out on June 21st. And so a lot of hype going on with this one this week. The ups and the downs of meme stocks are frighteningly dramatic and unpredictable today, and just one example of the extreme volatility being caused by this speculative group of traders. And in Torchlight Energy's case, that's on top of a very complex merger deal with MetaMaterial. I've talked about Torch and MetaMaterial both on the channel here quite a few times, and I'll go ahead and link those in the description as well. Torchlight, a recent favorite among individual investors, extends the tumble, and this is dated on the 23rd. So probably kind of some of the same information, so I'm going to slowly scroll through this for those of you that would like to pause. Shares of the company listed under the ticker Torch TRCH closed at 492. The day's loss billed on the stock's 29% fall on Tuesday. Started at the year trading less than $1, catapulted as high as 10.88 on Monday. So Monday was the good day for this one. Unfortunately, I didn't take profit. I didn't notice it till the end of the day, but wish I would have sold out of this one now and rebought back in. But that's always the case. Closed at 492. The day's losses build on today's 29% fall from Tuesday. And again, they're still trading GameStop and AMC. Just blows my mind those are still going strong, but more power to you. I'm staying away. Why Torchlight Energy is trading lower again today, on the 23rd, maybe kind of some of the same information. So I'm just going to slowly scroll through. So it's the market offering deal from Roth Capital. Offering was raised $100 million to $250 million. Torchlight Energy surged over the last week as investors anticipated its upcoming merger with MetaMaterial, ticker MMATF. And like I said, I've talked about both of these on the channel, so you can find those in the description as well. And this goes over why they're trading higher today, and this is just dated yesterday. So June 21, the two companies announced an agreement to extend the date by which Torchlight and Metamaterial must close their business combination transaction to June 30th. An extension was put in place to provide time for a record and payment dates of the special stock dividend to occur. It was announced that the payment date for the special stock dividend would be June 25th. Torchlight has traded as high as $10.88 and as low as 21 cents over the 52-week period. Over here to Reddit. 10 days ago, know what you hold. Officially torch holder. To the moon. Over here to StockTwits, currently at $4.95, a low of 11 cents, high of $5.94. Get your asses over to MetaMaterial. We got beat out of a dividend, so I haven't had a chance to research the dividend. I looked, nothing here on a tip ranks, but I looked here in Robinhood and I don't see anything, so I'm going to be researching that a little bit more. If you have any information in regards to the dividend, go ahead and leave that in the comments, or when that's going to take place. But that's all that I have on Torch. Probably be doing another follow-up on this one here later next week sometime, probably around the 30th. But if you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have. And any information that you have on this one would be appreciated. So, and I'm trying to get up to 1,000 as soon as possible. I think we only got about 30 some subs to go, and then I'll hit 1,000. So, trying to get up there and then see what we can do from there. So, again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.